My name is Sarthak. I am from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar, Maharashtra. I am pursuing my MSc in Computer Science from Sir Parshurambo College, Pune. My short-term goal is to get job in IT industry and long-term goal is to become a cloud architect. Experience was very good. First, I don't know about what is DevOps and tools about. So we have that trainer. His name is Shubham Kushwa. From scratch, he trained all the students. Doubt session and mentors were supported very nicely to learn the things from their perspective and adapt all the tools and gain knowledge. Before the course, we don't have any idea about DevOps, and after training, I am able to visualize all the things about DevOps and how to solve issues and problems. By practicing all the things, I can have quick solutions for the all problems or issues I am facing after finishing Star Agile DevOps training course. One of my friend was got training from DevOps, so he suggested me that there is Star Agile giving placement opportunities, 100% placement guarantee, and there is DevOps course. So if you want to make a career in DevOps, so my passion is cloud computing. So DevOps part is a career path to start my career. So he suggested me that Star Agile have a great companies they are connected with, so you can find your career growth by taking course from Star Agile. So this placement services made very things easy to find our job. No, so they are like placement team is actively calling us you have applied for this opportunity. Please be available for the opportunity. Every time you have scheduled for the first round, second round. Are you available? We have placement team is taking the. They are calling companies team also and to the aspirants also. This makes very much easy to find our job. The journey with Star Agile is very nice. We can practice all the things and develop ourselves to achieve our goals, achieve our dreams. It was a great experience. So I can learn the things from Star Agile and achieve my job.
Check out the DevOps course by industry-leading experts. Register now on the Star Agile website. Check out the link in the description.